Okay, Javen, you did really well on the test. The only thing that you had an issue with was the 6 divided by -3 part on problem number 11, so I'm going to go through that with you. Dun, dun, dun. So 6 divided by -3 is -2. X to the first divided by x to the -4th is x to the 5th. And y to the -1st divided by y to the 0 is y to the -1st. Z to the -2nd divided by z to the 1st is z to the -3rd. You had all that correct. And then remember, this exponent right here on the -2 is a 1. So now you're going to do the power property, multiply the exponents to get rid of the parentheses. However, it's a negative number, and a negative number to any exponent, regardless of whether that exponent is positive or negative, needs to be in parentheses. So -2 to the first power raised to the -2nd power is supposed to be written like that. And then x to the 5th to the -2nd is x to the -10th, y to the 2nd, z to the 6th. Then remember, if it has a negative exponent, and these two do, then you have to change those into fractions. I'm going to go down here. So this becomes this fraction. That -2 is still in parentheses, like that. And x to the -10th is 1 over x to the 10th. Like I said, you had all this perfect. The variables you handled perfectly. It was that -2 to the -2 power. Voila! And then you put it all together, simplify it. Would be the technical term 1 times 1 times y squared times z to the 6th is y squared z to the 6th. And then on the bottom, you got -2 squared, which is +4. Without those parentheses, if you plug it into a calculator like this, you would get +4. But without those parentheses, the calculator would say -4, which is wrong. +4. And there you go. That is the correct answer, number 11. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's see. On the original test, you had a 2.5. You did really well enough to get a 4 on this one. And what that did to your overall grade for the class, you had a 2.88, and then it just went up because of that retake to a 3.63, which is a pretty massive jump. But of course, we only had 3 tests, so that's why it jumped so much. But good job.